Audio, we're good. Some music on. I'm a little bit sickish today. A little music, is it loud? I'm not sure. I think it's alright. Alright, I'm still struggling. So. Oh great, it's moved to the other screen, of course it does. Oh, it's controller, of course. This works fine. We can stop them, and you can let them follow again. Oh, that atrocious directional. Maybe I should add more directions. And just copy and paste the other angles. And they also still skip foot. Lex seems really a lot faster. Alright, so the big problem I'm struggling with is pathfinding. Because if I move here... Okay, at the moment they're still phasing through backdrop objects, obstacles. But if I wanted them to... If I say I would shout out here, how do I make them walk through the doors, avoiding the walls and coming to me? Okay, that's my question. So as of now, of course, they're gonna face straight through everything. Are they at least... Okay, they're on top of the grates now. They were beneath it before. So, of course, the first thing you would say is, okay, if Lex and Tim collide with backdrop obstacle, then bounce. But when you do that, they get stuck. They get stuck on it. So I tried multiple methods. I tried creating nav points, like little active objects that over here one, and over here one, here, and then here. So, but then I have to find a way for them to intelligently following those nav points. I'm also thinking about completely changing their movement set. Once they enter an area of like more difficult navigation, like this one. I'm thinking about like if you I have to create blocks here or something. Then again, if I move over here and I do this, they will still phase through or get stuck. Unless I say... If they follow you, then like it's alright. Like if they follow closely, then that's fine. Unless I have like a bend, maybe I have to increase their distance a little bit, huh? Which I can. Why is it still... I've also been thinking about maybe scrapping the whole following. I've been thinking about doing the RPG thing where once the characters join your journey, they like kind of zap into you. And then when you need them, they'll just pop out, sort of. Right? That's another thing I've been thinking about. Okay, I like them following Grant around. Like, my idea is I have a life bar for them. This on the top right, and I kind of want them to be. I do kind of want it to be an escort mission because that's what Grant's role is in Jurassic Park. He's escorting them back to the visitor center. So I have to try and find a way. Man, I can make them stop. I think this whole calculation is annoying. It's a thing I copied from something else, of course, because I would never be able to make a line of code like this. It's not really difficult. But it's like the square of the x coordination of Lex minus the x coordination of Grant powered to the second or something plus... I feel like it could be different. I feel like it could be easier. I mean, what I could do is create a ring. A Grant ring. I think that might be actually a good idea. And then I don't have to do that stupid thing. So I would have to... It's easier to do that. I don't know how big it should be. Like, I think 64 by 64. I'm just gonna do this. A little bit of attack music. I don't think it has... I want to make it uneven. Is that enough? That's actually pretty good. Grand aura. Where is Grant's hotspot? Okay, yeah, definitely from Grant's hotspot. Alright. See how... Right. Oh, this is... Yeah. Maybe we can keep this one, actually. I want to see what this does. Oh. Of course, Tim is not gonna... It works for Lex. What if I did that? Oh wait, actually... That's not what I wanted. No, I want it. I want this different. See what happens. Oh, that's good. Maybe I should make the ring a little bigger. I still have to make them collide with each other. Which I do have to make bounce. Yeah, the ring has to be a little bigger. Maybe 128? That's too big. Yeah, that might be it. Oh wait. Has to be uneven. Let's make it a 99. Oh wait, that's stupid. That should be a little better. There we go. They're close, but not too close. And their animations don't get squirrely. And they seem to be avoiding each other, which is nice. Alright. I don't like the little jitters when they bounce, but I still have to make the thingies. That looks good. Oh, it's the minus in. Okay, yeah. You need 2 per. Don't need these. Okay, that should handle the perfect. So we can walk in front and behind them. Beautiful. So yeah, their movement is nailed. That's fine. Ugh. Okay, so they're down there. They're gonna keep running. They're gonna keep running. If I move here, then they will follow. But yeah, if they get stuck behind something. Whoa, where's he going? Wait. He's just going. Wait, why is she going free mode? The flag is on. Yeah, but what if the flag is off? I think we just do... I think we just make one more, just simple one, I guess. That should help. This is my problem. Wait, they don't have the collision with the... That's annoying. That's what I want to... How do I make this? I don't like the squigglies. But I'm also gonna... Actually... Oh, it's gonna be... Dun-dun-dun-dun. Let's see what happens with that. If I could only find a way. Like, if they're close, they'll usually bounce around enough to get through things. But you have to still... I want not to pay attention, so if I would be here and I would go inside a building, I want them to follow me, like, all the way there. I want them to basically just pathfind their way into my... Because, like, they can make it through one door sometimes, then they get stuck. There is like a thing though. Stick to obstacles. That's not something you can do with these, right? Why doesn't a bouncing ball have that? Why is that not a thing? Because I would say it is already sticking to obstacles. It looks like they're sticking to obstacles. Do I need to... I'm gonna do... Let's think about this. I actually need... No music. Kind of like distracting me. I need some clear... How are we going to make them? Walk in here. Chase Grant. Avoid obstacles and all that shit. Also, okay. Get the doors done. Actually, let's... 20 might be 1 degree too much. Going for 19. Okay. So I kind of refixed everything about this. I'm gonna save. Back up. And back to my current version. Okay, so this works. This has no errors. This is clean and all that shit. Now we figure out a new system. The following is better. They don't jitter as much. So that's nice. We fixed that. How do we fix the pathfinding? I'm still thinking about checkpoints. I feel like I could do something with checkpoints and values. Like when a checkpoint, like there has to be a way to say the further a checkpoint object is from Tim or Lax, the higher a certain value gets. So distance between Tim and Whoop determines the value number. Which is interesting. Okay, well, we saved, so we're gonna try something. Navigation point. Navigation points are tricky too. I have to think about all of this stuff. Just gonna lock everything. I don't want to have stuff locked. They're not already. So I don't easily click on them. Think. Because I can make them move inside, but we also have to do the same on the way back. Right? What I could do... That's actually not a bad idea. I could do a check if Grant is above a checkpoint. Make the checkpoint. So look at Grant. Okay, I'm gonna look up. I want to see. Let's do some research. Because there's gotta be more people out there. Right? That made systems. What's that? Oh. Oh. I'm just gonna look for more. I watched a bunch of these videos, but okay, the scoping video I checked. So the raycast point finding, this seems like it would be amazing. Right? Look at that. It's making a route. But you need the raycasting add-on, which is $70, and I'm not sure if that's worth it. This is the problem with most of these videos. They show you a working system, right? They show you how it works. You can see clearly that this... What's this music? You can see how this works. This is Grant, this is Timmy, and Timmy finds a path. It's also based on a grid system, which I don't like. I think that's the point also. Like, most of these pathfinding systems are based on like a grid system. Like for like a Pac-Man style stuff. But what if I wanted to do pathfinding on a complex like map like this, where it's not on a grid? It's just, you know, there's obstacles and there's non-obstacles. Like this whole wall is an obstacle. How do I make a thingy follow you and decide, oh, if I want to get to Grant, which is over here, I should not go this way, but I have to go this way to get to Grant. Like, basically assessing that this is the best way to get to Grant, and not go here and go like, oh, I'm stuck. Or maybe if it goes this way, at least acknowledge there's a wall and go around it to get to, or go back. Right? And that's something you probably can't do without something like this. This is a fairly complex system. Like, there's no explanation, there's no links, right? I think. Yeah, there's nothing in here that helps. Oh, that doesn't look good. Why is this happening? Pathfinding demo. Also, a lot of stuff that works with... I don't understand. What about this one? This is like a chess game. See, this is kind of what I want. But this is also based on a grid system. And of course, there's no links, there's no explanation. It's just another example. Can you show us how you did this, please? Show us and we will come. Okay. That's not the way I wanted to say that, but... Like, this is my problem with all these videos. Hey guys, I made a pathfinding system. And it shows you how a block find its way. This is also isometric, which is another pretty impressive thing. But this block will go around the obstacle to find its target. How did you do this? Nothing. He typed A star. Thanks, guys. Like, what is the point of this video? Just to show off? Simple pathfinding. This is all about... Oh. This seems to be a little bit more fluid. But what is he doing? Okay, he's telling the thing to follow the green block. And he's going around it. Okay, that's the one I want. I want to It's also avoiding the walls and very smooth. But what is this? Is this a background obstacle or is this just another active object? Because I can see this work on like work in progress. Thanks, Ranko van der Hout, which is a Dutch guy, for not providing us with any information. It has 1 like, 0 links or anything. Like, how do people do this? What is the whole... How? How do you do this? What is the tech behind this? Because you made this. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. Smart enemies. I think I watched this one. It's not very helpful. This is 3D stuff that I don't care about. Yeah, this uses the Firefly stuff, which is good, I guess. The perfect pathfinding. Finding the target. A star. Oh, wait a minute.
Pathfinding is the concept of finding the shortest route between 2 points. The most popular pathfinding algorithm found in games today is the A-star pathfinding algorithm. The idea of this video is to help you truly understand how the A-star pathfinding algorithm works by showing you a bare bones implementation. Saying that, I will give you a few tips to further optimize, as well as point you to some pre-built solutions.
This is just general development, but maybe we can use this.
By the way, all the code will be provided in the description.
Code. Yeah, it's probably another engine, right?
Alright, let's get into it. A-star utilizes 3 main numbers to calculate the best path. The g-cost signifies the travel distance from the node to the start node. The h-cost is the opposite, in that it represents the estimated travel cost from the node to the target node. The h-cost is optimistic in nature, so it will either be spot on or it will underestimate the cost. It will never give a cheaper than possible value. Take this grid for example. The h-cost of this node is 3, because it is 3 nodes from the target. But if we put an obstacle in the way, making 3 moves to the target impossible, the h-cost remains the same, as it was only an optimistic assignment. So to iterate, the actual steps required from any node will always be equal or more than the estimated h-cost. The f-cost is equal to the g-cost plus the h-cost. The lower the f-cost, the more attractive it is as a pathfinding option. The goal is to simply choose the lowest f-cost over and over until we reach the target node. Okay, let's look at a few examples of A-star in action. Alright, so I'll begin by placing my target here, and we'll begin pathfinding. So as you can see, all the nodes have a g-cost of 1, as we are just 1 node away from our start, but the h-costs vary depending on how far away they are from the target. So first we'll find our lowest f-cost, so this will be 4, and we'll choose this. So we will now move to this node and we will check our surrounding targets again, and we'll choose the lowest f-cost again. And as you can see, our g-cost is getting larger as we're moving away from our start position, but our h-cost is getting lower as we're getting closer to our target. And our f-cost will stay the same as we are just raising one number and lowering the other until we...
Interesting. I have to figure out another way to do this. I do want to work with man, I keep coming back to like navigational objects. I want a eureka moment, man. That's what I want. That big, isn't it? It's not what I want. Wait, why is this not centered? It's not. Now it is. Oh, come on. I just wanted to make a little foot. I like making little object with icon. It's fun. See how it looks like. Yeah. Navigation node. Kind of want to see it. Can we look at? I wish I could plant it on 4 or 3. Can we? want to see. Insert. Just want to see if this works. It is looking in that direction, isn't it? It is. It's going to it. Like, that's the first thing it does. Yeah, it's looking into it. So we can use these on level 3, which is nice. They work. They work. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to place them on 3 so we can always see them. And we can give them multiple, right? Alright, we're going to try some shit. Just want this for now. It's like I want to see how much I can do with it. I want to get these things. A little bit more. All right. So that look thing worked. If flag is off. All right. Actually make an extra flag. Flag 1 is going to be the navigation flag. Why is the never here? What? Why is there never here? That always scares me because then I don't know. I mean, this is supposed to be this, right? I'm not sure about that. Thank God we always have a backup if this goes wrong. Okay, navigation nodes. How? If we can give them a value. If not overlapping. Go to a node. Go to a node, hits the node. You can't, there's no line of sight. Like if there was like an object, I guess you could make like a Still thinking about shooting things. Yeah. Because that kind of works. Like, we need a line of sight, right? So, God, I'm doing the same thing as I did last time. Should work on the other side of the game, but I want this fixed because it's so important. Okay. Lex I. Mark it a 3. No. I don't know. I just like making these things. Maybe I should make them bright. Bright yellow. Alright. Actually, this should be... What? Oh, that's not... Alright. New condition. Flag. Is flag on 0. Insert. Oh. Insert. Every second. Launch an object. Under direction. Flex. Name. Flex site. And just site flex. In case we need to do a Tim version. All right. Position is in play area. Insert. Okay. Come on. Keep going. Which timer is this? I wish you could just say if object is in the play area for 3 seconds from its spawning. Start timer. If timer reaches that is a good thing. I don't know how that works, but that's fine. Let's find side legs collision. Backdrop. Gotta get the site. Also, navigation node. Site. And navigate. Action, look in direction of a node. Insert, I guess, that's the problem. The closest one is not always the one. I guess just look at one of them. What the hell? Relative. .com. Let's see. And I want flag 1 on. So insert flag 1 off. Then go to grunt. If it's not, if flag 1 is on, so you can remove this. Flag on. flag is on. Plus flag 0 is on, because otherwise it's still going to follow, right? It's off. Then also set one off. Because it's, yeah, if you don't need to fucking... Right? Wait, what? I don't get it. Like, set off. Okay. Okay, flag 1 is on. Direction. Look in direction of. Yeah, you cannot select it straight up. Insert. Position. No, pick down. Closest navigation up. From. Look at. No. Like, I always wonder if I do this, if the look at node, does it pick the closest one? Like, does this tell the thing when I choose something related to this thing, is it picking the closest one here? Because that's always like, or is it just look at node, a general statement, like any node? That's my question, right? And edit. Oh, no, console. Insert. Speed. See. So it's now going towards the node. If she encounters. Okay, so if I turn this on, she's gonna shoot the things. Oh, wait. Yeah, we need to do a timer. So we do need the animation. Just do like this. I always do this in 5. 5. Boom. Might actually be a shorter one. Let's do 10. Also the speed, of course, in which you shoot it. Just to remove a frame. It has to be kind of short, because it has a little slow, long, this, right, so, wait, what I wanted to do, you. I wonder if I choose is in the frame, like, and I do change animation sequence. walking. Is it gonna do this like an always statement, or when it's in the area, just is it gonna be once? Because you can also do this, right? Limit conditions. Only at one action when this event loops. I think that's a good way. Walk. Okay. When animation has finished walking, destroy. So let's see if it. So when I choose to follow, it starts shooting. Oh yeah, it does it. Nice. Still way too hard. Still too long. Animation has to be shorter. I guess I can delete another frame. Let's see. It has to be really short range. That's pretty good. What is it doing now? Where is it shooting? Oh, it's doing in the direction. So why is it? Oh, it's trying to get to this one. This one's the shortest away from her. So that's the problem, right? We have to find a way to make these nodes do something. I'm probably gonna like waste my time on this too much. No, the thing is, it has to connect with the object. So, shoot. Okay, not look on yet. Lights with background. Destroy. No, not look at. Place. Launch an object. In direction of. right? It's not gonna collide because it's not on the same plane. I think that's the problem here. You have to move them all. I have to go to 2. Otherwise we can't make a connection. That's why. Okay. All right. Insert every second. This is gonna be so stupid. Okay. Collision with foot. Destroy it. Direction. Look in direction of 0. When collision then decide what to do next. So we're gonna do flag off. What if this comes? Right. So still too much. I want this to be really short. I can do it 20. I don't like, why does it always do that? So, all right. Very short now. So what happens now? Not bad. Okay, also, I have to make a condition. Where's the insert collision overlapping negate? Because if it's like in there, then that's fine enough, right? It's not gonna shoot anything. We might have something here. I'm gonna be really happy if I figure this out. I want to see how far we can make this happen. It's gonna go, yeah, it's not gonna go to the other one. Oh, found its way. They found their way in. Okay, what if I go here? It's gonna try to get Wait. I have an idea. That flag. So insert movement deceleration 20. I want it to stop. This is going somewhere, but also we have to do the same for Tim. Yes. See, how far can we make her go? She's not slowing down. The deceleration doesn't work. Okay, also, we're getting closer. Area flag is 1, launch at speed. Insert. Not mapping. Okay. And or. It should be an or, right? Actually, it's an and. Like both. No, it's plus. Flag, no, when flag 1 is on, this doesn't make any sense. Replace this with overlapping, because we're going to the next step. Going to this step. Okay. Not overlapping, then do this. So now I have to see what happens. But I wish I could do a higher resolution screen, but I want to see what happens here if I do this. Oh, he's hit it. He hit it. Why is she not going towards it? Oh, there she comes. Okay, then she stops doing it. And that's still the problem. As soon as she touches it, what I should do, there's a thing here. Maybe we should make it a shooting event. Like an always in shooting event, not just blindly going towards. So when flag 1 is on, 0 is on, follow, 0 is off. This is when there's no obstacle, right? And it's not overlapping. Shoot. Yeah, because... Alright. New condition. Collision. With grunt. Then... God damn it! Why you do this to me? And do this. This. Wait. Launch an object. Side legs. In direction off. 0.0. Okay? And if it doesn't connect with ground, it won't follow ground. It'll just get destroyed. God, this is becoming complex, but... Oh, God. Yeah, they do stop everything. He's gonna keep doing this. Maybe we should do like 100. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh, there is a problem. There isn't. Yeah, that's the problem. The destroy thing is a problem. If animation walking is over, insert. think this might be not a good idea. So now we'll endlessly go. Black 0 is on. I have two. Oh. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I don't know. No, she's flailing. She's flailing wildly. I have to rethink this. Like, not follow him anymore. Flag 1 is on. Flag 1 on. Flag 1 on. Launch. Beat. When let's delete this thing. Dust. Not doing anything now. Oh, now she's moving. I have to constantly Wait. So when they collide with you, what? How does it reset that flag 0 off? Lies with the background. Do I need multiple things to shoot? Maybe we should. So, oh, so stupid. Side legs locked. Making it purple, red, against. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Wait. I wanted to edit it. Okay, so site. Yeah. Now this is when flag 0 is on. Should be fine. Okay, we're going back to the original idea. So reflect when it's on. No, it's the other one. This one. So it will go. It will go towards him, right? But the others still. There we go. Okay, so walking. Destroy. It's still gonna be something. It's about the background. When flag 1 is off, set 0, flag destroy. Right? When flag 1 is on, it's not overlapping. Edit. No. Delete. Oh, come on. Launch an object. Blocked. Okay. When collision between then we're back to set flag on 0 and set flag off 1. There we go. Because then it will follow again, right? And I'm not sure how this is going to work. All right. I don't know why this. Okay, and when it's collision between set flag yes and set flag 0 to on. So it starts to also. This is stupid. It should go back to following and then check for the new condition. Okay. I have no idea. This could be stupid. Okay, so this is fine. I'm gonna get out of range. Let's see what happens. He's not shooting it yet. I think that's the problem. Oh, we're doing this stupid animation. I thought I fixed that. Guess some new conditions arouse. Sideline. Oh, we don't have shoot, right? A new condition. Nice. Flag on. Insert. Ever. console. No, then it's gonna do every. Yeah. It's not what we want. Every 1 second. Launch an object. Site flex. Direction of flex. Right? And this one has the animation thing. Finish in the play area. Change the. Okay. Now, I'm going to stand here. That's interesting. Somehow it turns off the thing. Flag one's off. Set flag on. Wait, why is it not? Flag one is on. It's not overlapping. Launch? Why aren't you launching it? There's two backgrounds? No, there's only one. No, flag. Actually, stop following, start doing flag one stuff. Man, I'm drowning in these stupid things. Yeah, they completely deactivate, which is annoying. There's an extra. And flag 0 is off. It's not following. It's Set flag 1 on. Maybe we shouldn't. It's gonna do separately. Can happen at the same time. So flag 1, 0 off. It's not gonna be a thing. Insert. We don't need this. Don't need this. Like the flag's gonna be on or off by my own choice. The flag 1 is to make sure so what I can do, I can say yes, this stuff. Okay. It's gonna be probably really tweaky. So far so good. Okay. I'm gonna stand behind an obstacle. Oh. Oh my god, look at that. Did you see what happened there? Okay, I do not like little jitters it does. Also, it should not. Side legs. Every end overlapping another object. Negative. Because that's not the intent. But that's kind of insane. But I want my Eureka moment so bad. Oh, now it doesn't. Oh, there he goes. It should go for it. It's trying so hard. Why is it not working? Also, this guy. If SideLex blocks collects with an object, destroy. If I do the other way around. Oh my god, I've never thought about that. It's not about her finding it, it's about the blocks firing her. Finding her. It's the other way around. I've been thinking the other way around. So, launch. That's insane. I have not thought about this. Right legs. In direction of legs. Okay? Not this one. And then this is not this, it's legs. Then she goes for it. And same with this guy. No. You insert every second. It's gonna launch. All right. When I'd never thought about that. So what happens now? Always gonna check if there's a direct line of sight. All right. Okay, I have to now. Oh, great. That is a problem. Yeah, there should be no. This should not be a thing. We need like. Flag 1 is on. No, when she collides with. Yeah. Off. Don't think that matters. Flag off. Flag. Oh dear. Trying to find a way to do this. Okay. Oh, that's another thing I could do. Uh, I wanted to do another condition. What was I gonna do? It's gonna shoot blindly. Oh yeah. See if this works. And then when you just gonna see what it does. Guess it'll help. Probably. And when they get close, it starts firing. Okay, let me try from a longer distance. See what happens here. Oh, comes. Okay, that door is still a problem. Oh, what I could do when site lacks lights with background. It starts to loop a little bit. Alright. How do we can make it? We have to make it not loop that. I guess that's if site collides with the background. Flag. Ugh. Yeah, it's gonna. No. Edit. Let's do this. Insert closest navigation from. It's just a little experiment. Trying to, put this from two sides. Finding a way in. That's the big boy. Oh, she almost got it there. Oh, she's in. I'm actually really proud of her. Now this is the question. There's a timer going. It's like constantly going back and forth. And I think that's the thing we need to stop. So, because she's looking at him. Where does she look at? It's the tech tack that we have to get rid of. She has to fully go towards the thing. Tight legs. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, this is good because then I'll look at the thing. As we're already past this thing. And insert not in the play area. This is very important. flag 0 is on. Actually, flag is off is actually not a bad idea. Maybe that will stop it. He loses her actions. Like, that's the problem. When I do that, she just stops doing everything. Also, these two, maybe because they're in the area, could actually be the thing, by the way. Now they're outside of the area. Maybe that's it, because I chose to do that. Should go to the next one, yeah. Are you gonna go through the door now? It wants to go straight to me instead of the next block. Okay. She collides with. I'm also gonna turn off. Because what I want is, it's not gonna follow. I'm gonna make side legs towards legs. And that's a check to see if we can see Grant again. But when it launches and gets against the background, flag sets one sets on Troy. I'm not gonna do this. I think that's what we have to do. The blocks are there to shoot the things. Collision between destroy, do this. If it hits, shoot another one until she can get there. I don't know. It's gonna be crazy. What happens? Oh my lord. If this collides with background. What if we do an always? That would be kind of crazy. Always. We have to do a new always condition. Okay. Always. Insert. When flag 1 is on, look in direction of blocked. And also closest to flags. I don't think we need the always. When flag 1 is on, look at it. And when she collides, there's a stopping. Flag 0 should not be on. That only, like, they will always follow unless... Okay. Okay. Another thing I can do is add an animation to the node. This is getting really crazy, by the way. Oh, I just... Should be enough. There's a walking animation. And stop animation. Stop. Right. So when are we gonna make it run? What? How is this one? Oh, it's in the player area. Every 0. That's the collision we need. Collision between the player or the flex and the thing. Walking. I don't know how this works. Negate. I don't know how this is gonna work. So the thing is, when I don't know. I think I'm actually gonna stop the stream here because, first of all, there's no one watching. Second of all, I don't even want. It's not gonna be. It's boring. Anyway, as you can see, I'm still struggling to find a good system. But I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to scrap it. That's gonna be the end thing of this conclusion. We'll see. Thanks for watching. If you are interested to see the process, I mean, I can't imagine someone watching this and probably screaming at their screen, "Dude, you can do this totally with another method." If you know another method, please let me know on Blue Sky. I'm always open for suggestions, tips, in how to solve this problem. Because this is one of the biggest problems, I think, for any Click Team Fusion user is to make pathfinding work. You can, like, grid systems are very easy, or at least easier, if you want to do a Pac-Man thing. But the problem is when you want something more complex like this, where you have walls. This is the collision box. When they have to avoid things, right? That's where the problem comes in, and finding the shortest route. So that's a problem. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it here. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.